Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Career Talks with Deepa. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss with a very important interview question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So let us start with the details. Why this question is asked? Now they want to know whether you are ambitious and have planned your future or not. Then they want to know that whether you will stick to your company for at least 5 years, then your career goals. Now this is a most important point, that your career goals match with the goals of the company or not. How to prepare the answer? For that, first of all, be clear about your career goals, your long term and short term both. Then you must find a connection between your goals and the job description. Then the next point is to be highlighted is that you have to know what are the career goals of the company. As I've already told you so many times, that you have to match your career goals with that of the company, and for that you have to do a thorough research about the company, which can be done through the website and other sources also. Then some common mistakes which generally students do with giving the answer. So first of all is that you don't have to get nervous, answer with excitement and enthusiasm. But some students answer that I don't know, I have not planned my future. Please don't say like this. This will give a very negative effect of yours on the interviewer. Then don't give unrealistic answers also, like I will be the CEO of this company. Then if you are specifying the post and the salary, I will be getting so much of salary in next 5 years, and these type of answers are very rude, so just avoid it. And then I think that you should emphasize that what you will do rather than who you will be. Now let us discuss some sample answers. In this sample answers also, I have tried that you should first of all discuss and just chalk out that what is the most important objective of the company, and then try to find out your match with it, or how you are able to utilize that objective, or the some training or these type of things which you have found in the research of the company, which you liked a lot, and you will be taking advantage of that, and then you will be one of the part of it in the next 5 years. So let us discuss some sample answer. The very first one is, I'm just reading out so you can find out, and then you can fix yours with it. My ultimate goal for the next 5 years is to master my position and advance into the managerial roles within my department. I was drawn to the personalized training approach your company outlines on its website, and I truly believe this approach to training will allow me to learn new skills and grow within this position. Over the next 5 years, I see myself taking on new and exciting projects within your company that will prepare me for a management role with the organization. So this sample answer you must have seen that I have shown that I have gone through the website thoroughly, very first thing, then what I liked and how I am matching my skills with it. And in the end, I have also shown that I'm very much interested to be in your company for next 5 years. This is another sample answer. Now let us discuss this. I'm first of all reading it and then we will discuss. I am certain that the coming 5 years will be productive for me. Working in an esteemed organization with a positive work environment can be rewarding. I can picture myself growing to the position I am working on. I feel the values of this organization can be advantageous to my career. In return, I see myself utilizing my knowledge to yield better outcome. The 5 years ahead are a guide to me. They would take me to a target where I can cherish the achievements along the road. Here also you must have chalked out that I have tried to emphasize that how the journey will be so good of yours with this company. Then if you don't want to have a long answer or don't be so explanatory, then you can sum up in these 2 lines also. I want to be an expert in my role and I want to see myself as a responsible person of the organization. So I hope this video is useful for you. So please be connected with Career Talks with Deepa. Okay, then see you in my next video. Bye-bye.